Hi Year 10, today's video is going to show us how to quickly create all the different views from the front view. So this is what it should look like after you've done. So I'm just going to delete this so I can show you how I did this. Okay, so the first step is to copy this drawing. So up from the top, copy. And then it says select base point, so I'll select the base point over here, and then it says your extension. So I know to the end of there is 400, so I want to type in 480, enter. Then what I want to do is project two lines up. We can do this in a normal line, so select line, project two lines up from the top view. Then since we went 80 across here, the top view must start from 80 millimeters height if you want to use the 45-degree projection line. So if you're not sure what that is, you'll soon find out. So we'll type in 80, enter, and project that across. And then from the very top right hand side of my front view, I will project a 45-degree line up. Now if 45 degrees isn't locking on like mine, if you go down here and right click, make sure you right click and make sure it's still on. So see how it's light blue? That means it's selected, or it's turned on, sorry. So polar tracking, right click, and then I normally always use 5 degrees intervals. And that'll give you the 45-degree line. So now basically what you can do is you can draw a line from here. Oh, it wasn't quite long enough. Now you can draw, just double check that's 45. Yep. So now you can draw a line from here up to the top and then project across, and you see it lines up. So again, draw a line up here, project across. And now to join those up, just like trim, it's called extend. So EX and then enter twice, just like trim. There we go. And then this square here will be 400 by 400. So next is to draw the legs. So I'll change to hidden detail. Now I can draw a line from that leg. I'll just go all the way up. Oh, a nice little trick there. Says once I go line and I click where I want to finish the line at. If I want to get out of it, I can press enter. And if I press enter again, it will repeat the same command. So I'll select enter again, and drag it up, and then I'll select enter again, enter again, enter again, enter again, enter again, enter again, and I'll just keep going. So really what I do is I just press enter twice really quickly. Okay, so now once we've got our positioning, now we just have to trim. So TR, double enter, and then we can simply trim all of the excess lines. Now that it won't, we'll trim those. However, instead of just trimming those, you can just select those and click delete. And same with these ones. So that one's selected, so we'll have to trim that. There we go, and that's how you get the 4 legs. And then from here, again, you can project up our aprons, like that. And then because it's all symmetrical, you can just complete one side and then mirror it to the other side. And then with this side, You can use some of this information. Just delete some that we don't need. For example, you can keep the dowel. However, we can't keep these. What we can do is our front or our bottom rail here. We can project that line the whole way across, like that, and then we can trim. And there's my bottom rail, so now I just have to represent the tenon inside of that. Now I hope you now understand how to use a 45-degree projection line to create your top and side view. Thanks guys.